Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make paper macarons. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You'll need some paper, perhaps in a few different colors, a pair of scissors, and a reliable glue stick. Also, grab a small circular object like a coin or a bottle cap to help you trace perfect circles. For decoration, have some markers, colored pencils, or even a bit of paint ready to add your personal touch. Now, let's create the iconic macaron shells. Take your circular object and trace two identical circles onto your paper. For a standard macaron, a circle about 2 inches in diameter works well. Carefully cut out both of these paper circles. If you want your paper macarons to feel a bit more substantial, try using a slightly thicker paper or light cardstock for these shell pieces. This will give them a nice, firm structure. Next, we'll design the delicious-looking filling for your macaron. Cut a third circle that is just a little bit smaller than your 2 shell pieces. This will create the perfect sandwich effect. You might want to use a contrasting color for this filling piece to make it pop. For an extra touch, you can even add a wavy or ruffled edge to this filling circle to mimic the creamy texture of real macaron ganache. Finally, it's time to assemble your beautiful paper macaron. Take your glue stick and apply a generous amount to one side of your filling circle. Carefully center and press one of your paper shells onto the glued filling. Then, apply glue to the other side of the filling and attach the second shell, making sure everything aligns nicely. Now you have a charming paper macaron, ready to be displayed or given as a sweet, handmade gift.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.